How's it going, YouTube? Today we're installing Motion Pro 275cc coolant recovery tank. It's universal. Cost on it is $34.99 Canadian. Pretty cool. Comes with the tank, extra hose, some clips. There was 4 of them. I used one. And so what we did is I had a 2.1 gallon or 3.1 gallon Clark tank. Had someone wrap it for me so it would look black because it was all faded and orange colored and it looked like crap. It should look like the color of the bottle. So this is the coolant bottle. Looks pretty good. This pops in there, down to the bottom, push down on the grommet. Then there's another hose that I ran here, comes down underneath the skid plate where the other one was, and it just zip ties through the rad. I don't know if you can see it on that side, but here you go. We got 2 zip ties right through the fins. Kind of got to twist them a little bit to make it work, but it does. And then my rad shroud just goes right over top, just like that. Funky do. Awesome. So now when we're doing hard enduro stuff, if I overheat my bike, coolant catch tanks and keep the coolant from going on the ground, I'm gonna fill probably up to the blue line with coolant so that it can bring coolant in or put some into the tank. Then it never runs out, just like you do in your car, right? Or any enduro bike or snowmobiles, ATVs, all that stuff. You always got coolant in your catch tank. So I think it's a good idea. Next step, KX100. It's going to get a coolant catch tank too. We don't need no overheating bikes in the trails. And I don't really feel like using creek water to get home. So there we go. That's what we did today. 3.1 gallon Clark or 3.2, whatever it is. Rad shroud doesn't fit real good on this side for some reason. Don't know why. But I got the tank cheap. Got it used for 60 bucks. It was all like a yucky orangey yellow color. So the guy that sold it to me, right, cool. Thanks again. You know who you are. Anyway, that's the Yz250 Motion Pro 275cc coolant tank recovery tank install. All right. Here we go. Don't forget to subscribe and like it if you like it. But biggest thing is the subscriptions. I need the subscriptions. I need the subscribers. I don't have enough subscribers. Please help me out. Do some subscribing. And if things keep going good, we're going to keep building Brittany's KX100. We'll build up the YZ. I got a fix for the Kenworth T680 coming up. I'll do that video on that shortly. So if you like what you see, hit that red subscribe button. I can use them all. Right on. Thank you. Right on to the YZ.